Ka Sorkar Jylla haka santerik naitung araja arpulai kalaong ba kanum le kerke banong ba ka uniform civil code kalatrikam nomor ka Sorkar Jylla kampat yo jingtip EA na ka Sorkar India ka Dr. Ampareen lingdo menteri bat kanong aitian ka Sorkar MDA2 kalaong ba yamanta ka UCC kampat de ka balatikna bat ondang ab banyekren haka rynsan ka badai kalaong balada ka UCC kadai kamat yakren jong Sorkar NDA wala lam kamat da ka BJP kumta kan hap ban khot ya baro kiseng ki baitre lang na ki Jylla ba per haswa ban sim ya karai.
To my knowledge, as Law Minister of the State of Meghalaya, no information has yet reached my office. I can understand that with elections happening in certain states, there have been statements made by leaders of the country on the implementation of the UCC. Accordingly, there has been reactions based on those observations made in a public forum. Whether or not the state of Meghalaya has received anything in writing, not to my knowledge and information. Honorable Chief Minister has been very candid about it. We have said that we are a state with special privileges. We are protected by the 6th schedule. The 6th schedule predominantly attends to personal laws in a large extent. Matters of land, matters of marriage, matters of inheritance, etc., etc., etc. It would be too early for me to comment on this matter because to my own research, I have been told that there was a private member's bill that was submitted to the Rajya Sabha. That bill was not taken up for discussion. Whether or not it remains the agenda of the NDA will have to call its partners in states before deciding and taking decisive decisions on matters which affect states. And we as a state, as you heard the Honorable Chief Minister comment, are firm on this matter. We shall not be part of allowing UCC to be operational in the state of Meghalaya. We have special privileges as per Constitution. We will fight to the hilt to ensure that our personal laws are not touched. We are unique. We are a matrilineal community. All of that has a full presence and understanding in the Constitution. And I'm sure other states in the Northeast region will also likely have a similar view. I feel that UCC is a huge proposal. It does not touch only one aspect. It has a lot of aspects. We will cross the bridge and deal with the problem once it comes to us officially. But as of now, to my information and knowledge, it is still not.